guys, so we're here gonna talk about stress in the modern era, understanding its impact on the body. And these are our group members as you have seen at the beginning of the video. And for this slide, my friend will explain it to you.
Hello everyone, my name is Ken Christopher Jangkang and now I want to explain you about stress. Stress is a natural reaction of human body and mind when someone feels worried, pressure from work, study, or personal life. Stress happens because someone cannot handle the problems or cannot solve the problems. If stress comes in a amount, it can be helpful for you because stress makes you stay alert and motivated. But if stress comes for a long time, it can be harmful for your mental health, your feelings, and your daily activities. There is a three types of stress. First, I want to explain you about acute stress. What is acute stress? Acute stress is a type of stress that suddenly appears from specific situation like exam, presentation, or sudden problem. This stress can be helpful for someone to increase their focus and act fast. The stress comes for a short time and it will go away when the situation is over. The second type of stress that I wanna tell you is episodic stress. Episodic stress is acute stress that happen in many times or happens again and again. People with episodic stress often feel busy, rushed, and under pressure almost every time. This can be happen to people with many long-term problems or a pure time control. Episodic stress can be harmful for people because it can make bad mood, anxiety, cause tiredness, and physical problems like headaches. The last type of stress that I wanna to explain you is the chronic stress. Chronic stress is a stress that comes for a long time and cannot go away easily. This type of stress it comes from a long-term problems like family problems, money troubles, and long-term problems like study and work. This type of stress it's very harmful because this stress makes your body tense every or almost time. Furthermore, this chronic stress can damage your mental health and make a serious damage problems. Maybe that's all that I can explain you about stress and the types. The more explanation detail about stress will be explained by my friends. Thank you.
So, how stress starts in the body? First, when you feel stressed, the brain, especially the hypothalamus, sends the signals to the adrenal glands to release hormones like adrenaline and cortisol. These hormones activate your fight or flight response, causing your heart to beat faster, your breathing to increase, and your senses to become more alert. This response is meant to protect you from danger, but in modern life, it often happens because of psychological pressures instead of physical threats.
Hello everyone, my name is Daryl Fantasomani, and today I would like to explain you about the effect of stress. Stress can affect our body in different ways. So, short-term stress can actually be helpful. It increases focus, alertness, and give us a quick burst of energy, especially in important situations like exam or deadlines. However, when stress lasts for a long time, it becomes chronic stress, and this is when problems begin. Chronic stress can disturb sleep, raise blood pressure, weaken the immune system, and affect digestion and hormones. If it continues, it can lead to serious health issues such as heart disease, anxiety, and a decrease in overall health. So, while stress can be useful in the short term, managing stress is essential to protect our body and mental well-being. Thank you.
Before I continue the presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Nabila Aufa Aziza. You can call me Aufa with name 251011120023. Okay, common source of stress today. In the modern era, stress often comes from physiological and social pressure. Schoolwork, job demands, social media, multitasking, and societal expectation are some of the most common triggers. Unlike the past, when stress mostly comes from physical dangers, today stress often comes from constant thinking and worrying. This makes the stress response stay active even when there is no real danger around us.
Hello everyone, my name is Kanita Normadina and I'll explain healthy ways to manage stress. There are several simple and effective ways to manage stress. such as deep breathing, regular exercise, mindfulness, and getting enough sleep. All of that help the body to relax and recover. Good time management and a supportive social environment also make a big difference. For more serious stress, talking to a counselor or mental health professional can be really helpful. The key message is that stress cannot be completely avoided, but we can control it with healthy habits and the right strategies. I think that's all from me.
Thank you everyone for listening until the end. Bye bye. See you next time.